That is the biggest domino I've ever seen. Isn't she a beauty? We will see everybody tomorrow. Well, it's a car. Feels pretty good actually, for the most part.
How high was that?
Like 4,000.
Really? That doesn't sound very high.
Black on black on black, 155,000. Couple dash lights, all of the dash lights. It's a little rougher than I thought, but it's gonna be nothing that that we can't work with. In fact, like we said earlier, we were planning on buying one that was wrecked, so it can't be worse than this.
Yeah. Airbag warning, seatbelt warning.
Seatbelt, I wonder, let me try to put my seatbelt on, we'll see if that clears that up. So there's a seatbelt warning. Brake, okay.
Airbag warning.
This is because that's busted, he pulled it out.
Yep.
That is your brake pad sensor. He just replaces brake rotors and pads in the front, so I'm wondering if it's either the rear or he didn't replace the sensor. And then airbag warning light. I'm not sure what that means. TPMS sensor is probably because these wheels don't.
Shock girl screwed up too.
No, the wheels don't have TPMS. Not gonna go very far because I don't know how broken it is. The last thing I want to do is get 3 or 4 miles from the trailer and then be like, oh,
It don't go even that far.
we're stuck. I know. Thanks, Dad.
I love the hood strut poking through there.
Oh yeah, it's very beautiful. It's a weird noise. Holy crap.
That's got some beams.
That thing's got, yeah, dude. I didn't realize they were that fast. Wow, okay, so this is my first time driving an M3. I think actually, that's a lie. I've driven an SMG, but I was with a salesman. And we were in Salt Lake, so it was like, don't do it, so I just kind of basically putted around. That does have some balls, man.
You can feel the clutch slipping like you said though.
I felt it slip a little bit. Dude, that's fast.
Yeah.
Did you think it was gonna be like that?
No, did you have the traction control off?
No.
Because it actually broke loose a little bit.
I'm keeping it. That's hilarious. I had no idea. Okay, so here's second gear. What, maybe 15 miles an hour?
Clutch is slipping though.
I felt it.
Yeah.
Dude, that is nuts. Did you want to drive it real quick?
Sure.
That is fantastic. I've driven an M3 now a half of a mile around a parking lot.
This is going to be vicious in his wagon.
I think so too.
That was so freaking controllable. If I wanted to, I could have put it completely sideways. I'm not going to do it again. But I could have easily snap drifted it back through.
That rubbing, is that in the back?
No, it's in the front.
Dude, I did not know that they had power like that. That is comparable to my car for sure. That makes me a little bit nervous.
Makes me giddy.
Back up into the trailer.
That was way more than I expected.
Yeah, I'm a little surprised. I knew they were fast, but that was like, it was like instant fast.
That was faster than the car already.
Well, thanks everybody for watching. I'm gonna wrap it up here. We're excited to get this project done. So Project M3 Wagon is now officially been started. We have our M3 now. We are just looking for our wagon, and then we will be in contact with our parts suppliers to make sure that we've got the correct parts and everything that we need to make sure that these can come together in holy matrimony without many issues. Thanks again everybody for watching. If you enjoyed today's content, hit the like button, subscribe if you are new. Make sure to check out my Patreon link in the description below. My Patreon members get to enjoy early ad-free access of my content that starts at just $1 a month. Also make sure to follow us on Snapchat and on Instagram. Both those links are in the description below as well. Thanks again everybody for watching. We'll see you in the next video.